Hi, Si here from Music Radar. We're at NAMM Show 2018. We're currently by all the Eurorack stuff, the Alex 4 stuff, but we're currently with Roman Filipov. You're the president of the BAC Corporation.
Yes.
But you're also the designer of Deckard's Stream.
Yep.
So, well, it's the first proper CS-80 hardware emulation that we've seen.
I tried.
Yeah. So talk to us about how you come about sort of designing it, the processes about coming around, and any sort of pitfalls you had when you were doing it.
Well, CS-80 was always a holy grail of synthesizers, which was never really cloned, never was even an attempt as far as I believe, because it's been so complex and used custom Yamaha-made chips for the circuitry. So there was no way to really clone it. There was only way to recreate it from scratch. So did I. So when I worked on this, I didn't clone the circuit. I was kind of trying to emulate the behavior of the CS-80. And due to the modern technology, it's way more easier than back in the days when the Yamaha did it. We used lots of digital to analog converters, which control the analog part of the circuitry, and that helped a lot to make all the modulation, the polyphonic aftertouch, and all these special things that make CS-80 the way how you play it. They are now possible with a Deckard Stream.
Brilliant.
We also added the MP support, the new format, which is done by Rolly and Linstrument, Haken, which gives you the 3D control over
support for that. Yeah, brilliant.
So you can connect it to Rolly and play it in the 3D as well.
Nice. Oh, that's good. So, have you managed to kind of retain some of the charm of the original? You know, the well-known drift, these sort of things. Is that, or is it purely, you know?
Oh, well, there was lots of glitches during the development, and I was trying to get rid of them. And when my friend came by and said, okay, leave this, and this, all these small shitty things, they make it sound better, actually.
Yeah. That's the best way in designing things.
Yeah. So first you make it kind of bad, then try to make it better, and then you just leave in some bad things there.
Bad can be good.
Bad is good. Yeah.
You've also got the CV and effects expander module below it there. Obviously that's a brand new product as well.
Yeah, we show it at NAMM. So I had many requests from the modular scene about controlling the polyphonic scene with CV inputs.
Yeah.
It's a kind of...
It's a must nowadays.
It's a must, but it's never been invented in any poly yet, as I believe. Yeah, and I have a friend who had like a CS-80 back in 70s, who has modified it to be controlled by surge back in late 70s, and he was one of people who really requested. So
giving him what he wants.
I mean, like in the modern world, in the digital world, to add these control points, it just absolutely not a problem.
And it opens it all up for everyone.
And we added the effects missing in the main unit as a ring modulator with envelope and chorus and tremolo.
Oh, brilliant. David's going to have show us a little demo in a sec. Before he does, can we talk price? Because you were doing DIY kits as well as fully built. Is that still happening?
Yeah, DIY kit. We made kits. It's pretty massive build, but if you just follow the guide and don't do stupid mistakes, you can make it. Yeah. There is no single trimmer in the kit, so it requires zero calibration.
Okay.
We added circuitry which calibrates the synth itself. So you just press the button, wait 15 minutes, and then it's ready to play. Yeah.
Well, that's good.
And
that's handy.
Kit costs $1,000.
Yeah.
It has PCBs with all digital components pre-installed. So all the DACs, all the microprocessors, everything which is small, is already there.
Yeah.
And you need to get only the large through-hole parts, which is related to the analog circuitry.
Okay, so you get those bits yourself.
Yeah. And
sorry, go on.
And the unit itself costs $37.50.
$37.50. Brilliant. So David could we have a listen to it? Let's. Everyone knows the sound of the CS-80, of course. I'm sure. Here we go. Sure to like, subscribe, comment and share this video wherever you're seeing it right now. Head over to musicradar.com for all the latest NAMM news, reviews and tutorials, and we're hoping to get one of those in soon and do a comparison with the real deal soon, so look out for that too. Cheers!